Welcome to Learn Easy and Smart. Dictation start. Governments do not adequately support them so that they can buy fertilizers, pesticides and other technologies. Full stop. Most of the agricultural land is diverted for commercial uses. Full stop. Special economic zones do not support farmers, as subsidized land, cheaper credit and excise duty relief is instead made available to industries. Full stop. Paragraph change. The financial condition of Indian farmers is miserable. Full stop. The monthly income of a farming household is not more than that earned by domestic helpers in metro cities or daily wage laborers. Full stop. Drowned in heavy debts, farmers commit suicide. Full stop. Who doesn't know about the large number of suicides committed by the farmers in Vidarbha, films like inverted comma Kisan inverted comma and inverted comma Peoply Live inverted comma brought this serious issue into limelight. Full stop. If economic progress is to be accelerated, interests of farmers cannot be neglected. Full stop. Government introduced the agricultural debt waiver and debt relief scheme in 2008. Full stop. Kisan credit card was also a part of this scheme. Full stop. In 2013, government launched the Diversify Income Sources package, comma, which aimed to generate income sources for farmers from allied sectors, full stop, paragraph change. It's high time that the government stops playing the vote bank game and works out some substantial measures and reforms to improve the living as well as working conditions of the farmers of our country, full stop. We have to work unitedly for the upliftment of our farmers, full stop. We need to train our farmers in scientific farming and the modern methods of irrigation, full stop. We also need to educate the children of our farmers, comma, provide better healthcare, comma, sanitation, comma, clean drinking water and power supply so that their socio-economic conditions can be improved for better, full stop, paragraph change. The government has been trying to do a lot and a lot has been accomplished, comma, yet much needs to be done, full stop. We have to make sure that the farmers come out of the clutches of poverty and break free from the chains of debt and illiteracy, comma, so that the hands that feed millions do not go without food, full stop. Farmers should also get a monthly take home package that will take care of their families, and the surplus can be used for next crop sowing, full stop. They must also be awarded pensions, comma, annual increments, comma, medical allowances, and quick financial loans, full stop, by providing them with proper incentives, comma, good quality seeds, comma, irrigation facilities, comma, fertilizers, comma, pesticides and subsidies, comma, we can ensure that farmers of India flourish. Full stop. Stop.